The next thing I want to show you is once it's live, you can go to the PPC dashboard over here. Let's jump back to that page. And you can access the Smart Portfolios tab over here. So if you have several Smart Portfolios set up, you'll see a list. You'll see all of them in here. Let's give it a second to load. So we only currently have one. And if I'll expand the Smart Portfolio, then I'll see the phases, right? I'll see my campaigns in scale phase, discovery, and optimization. Not sure why they're arranged in this way. Discovery should go first, and then optimization second, and scale third, but whatever. So I can expand that and see the campaigns that are inside every phase. So we have currently, with this setup, two campaigns in the discovery phase. Both of them are auto campaigns, which are generating new keywords using Amazon's own algorithm of auto campaigns and keyword harvesting, right? So I can see their performance right here. I can analyze their ACOS, ad spend, how much they spend, how much profit they brought in. I can analyze the break-even ACOS, so the point at which the campaign starts getting profitable. And then I can understand their daily budget. And so other metrics as well are available here on the list. If you need to add them, just click on this icon and add the metrics that you're interested in. So two campaigns in discovery. Then I also have one campaign currently in optimization. Its bids are being optimized. And what I can also do, I can expand actually this campaign to see the ad groups and to see the keywords inside. So I can analyze each keyword, how exactly it's performing, and I can analyze their metrics separately. This gives you granularity, so you can see overall what's the performance of the Smart Portfolio and each separate campaign and keywords, how are they doing. Like a general note, the campaigns in the discovery phase are designed to have they're experimental. They're trying to make keywords convert. So you should not expect the discovery phase campaigns to perform really well, right? Because the system is trying to make them convert. Some will fail, some will succeed, and those that will succeed will get transferred to optimization. What you need to be on the lookout for are the real, results in profitability, depending on your settings, obviously, in the scale phase, because that means, those campaigns should bring in the results that you're expecting, since, the system is giving them the most of the budget. And in optimization, pay close attention to how exactly the bid optimization translates into results that you want to see, right?